What's up, YouTube? Just want to talk tonight about some of the things I'll be shooting tonight. Tonight is Halloween 2015. We'll be shooting some fireworks. I've already done a video on the setup, and so we'll just go over a couple of things individually. This one is part of the 16-shot Aerial Barrage Assortment. It's I got a case of it here. I usually get a case every year for the 4th. And this particular one is Silver Tail. It's a 16-shot silver swirling tail, the red, white, and blue. It's a peony break, good size breaks for 200-gram cake, and it's got a 4-shot finale. So we'll try this one out tonight and see how it does.